Okay, let's start. I'm Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel as well. This is a pre-session for the Telegram community. First, we will start from gold analysis. On daily time frame, we got two things. We got extreme C as well. EMA 50 rejection, but also we got sell CST. On weekly time frame, market got rejection from MA 510 low. Okay, a weekly by re-entry. But here we got extreme as well. Now on H4 time frame, we got MLB, and now market is moving up. But we got sell CSD as well. So first we need to mark mid BB for sell re-entry, and then MA 510 high for sell re-entry. First zone for selling, and then second zone for selling. These are the zone for selling because you can see top BBS flat now. So these are the zone for selling. Now on H4 time frame, we got mid MA 510 high breakout. We call it early candlestick direction, early CSD. On H1 time frame, we didn't got any buy momentum. So it's a weak one. Okay. We can't rely on that breakout. It's a weak one. So that's why we marked mid BB for selling zone. Okay. So now if we got for that zone, if we got buyer re-entry on the other zone, on the buyer re-entry on MA 510 low, then market can retrace back to mid BB or daily MA 510 high. Okay, so these are the possible zones and possible scenario for gold. But it's not a confirmed one. In my Telegram community, when I'm marking these zones, in my Telegram community, when I post my analysis for buy or sell on gold, that's mean these are the possible zones, not confirmed zone. In BBMA, once we finish our multi-time frame analysis, second time frame confirmation, and third time frame entry execution confirmation, once we get that zone turn into confirm zone, the possible zone turn into confirm zone. So for that, we need to wait for, and we need to follow the process. Okay, once we follow the process, then we can get a good entry and we can make profits. But if we didn't got any confirmation, market will hit our stop losses. We don't need to enter without any confirmation. Now, if you guys have any question, you can ask me now. Ask one by one.
Can you
If
please
market
show us
don't touch the our box, this upper level, but market will go down slowly, then what signal we followed?
As I told you, for every zone, for example, market is reacting with mid BB zone. Okay, so we need extreme on second time frame H1 and MLV on third time frame M15. Then we can enter for the sell. Yeah, at mid BB H4. But remember, these are the possible zone, because if you look here, on weekly time frame, we got MA510 low, re-entry. On daily time frame, we got extreme C. On H4 time frame, market got MLV. So market can go also upside, but these are the possible reversal zone, because market is not giving a clear direction for buy. Any other question?
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Hi.
Then when should what we do? Market already weekly time frame re-entry. Do we entry then then day one 50 reject, 4 hours extreme. So what we should do? If market already 4 hours time frame is create extreme, then market go for TPW. When market create MSV, so we can go for buy, or we will wait for selling zone. What should we do?
Okay, perfect. That's a good question. If we look to higher time frame daily, okay, the selling pressure is very high, market dropped. But if we are looking for a buyer entry on weekly time frame, okay, if we are looking for a buyer entry, so on H4 time frame, Bollinger Band was expanding downside. Okay, we got extreme as well, but Bollinger Band was expanding downside. So we can sell here. We can make a sell here. We are done a good sell here. But now Bollinger Band is curving. That's mean we are getting MLV, and market also break MA510 high without making momentum on H1 time frame. That's why we marked mid BB for selling, because if we got rejection from EMA 50 on daily time frame, that's called extreme C. But if you rewatch my videos on extreme, so extreme C is a weak one, it's not a strong one. Okay, extreme C is a weak one, it's not a strong one. That's why we are looking for re-entry after CST on daily time frame. So if we look for re-entry on daily time frame, before hitting the daily zone, there is another sell zone on H4 time frame. We call it mid BB re-entry. Okay, we call it mid BB re-entry. But if we got buy CSD on H4, then we will change our point of view, and we will look for a buy. Now we can also look for a buy, but it will be also a weak one, because the breakout of MA510 high, let me mark it, then it will be more clear. On H1 time frame, we don't have any buy momentum here. Okay, so if market form momentum again here, then we can think about buy. Okay, and we can think about a buy. But
Okay.
But now at the moment, market is not forming any kind of momentum here on, let's check out M15. On M15, we don't have any momentum yet. So we will wait for the momentum, then we will continue. Next question, please.
I have another question.
Yeah.
When market go for weekly re-entry, he creates CSAK. He also break mid BB. So fast market fill the setup, day one setup. Market will go for re-entry when market creates CSAK, then go for re-entry. You mark the re-entry point, daily re-entry point.
Okay,
Yes.
the thing is H4 and daily. Okay, we got sell CSD on daily and also momentum on H4 time frame. So on H4 time frame, trend is 100% shifted, but on daily time frame, trend is 50% shifted because of CSD sell. When mid BB breaks, that's mean 50% trend shifted from bullish to bearish. Okay, and when momentum happens, that's mean trend is fully changed and we got 100% trend shifted from bullish to bearish. So that's true. When market form daily re-entry sell CSD, market can react to MA510 high and we can consider it a re-entry sell. Okay, we consider it a re-entry sell. Let me clear one thing. In my Telegram community, my WhatsApp community, the mentorship community, we are looking for free premium setups. Okay, we are not taking every setup. We have some special confirmation for entry. Once we get our confirmation, I am posting that now it's time to go for buy, it's time to go for sell. Or sometimes students are making, they are doing analysis. So I'm making correction that wait for this process, wait for this step, that step. After that, once it happen, there is a signal for go, there is a signal to go for buy, for sell. So we are doing it together. We are doing like we are following a process, because if you look every day for a trade, you will make mistakes, because this is not the game to take a trade every day. Okay, you need to set your rules. Okay, if market is moving according to your rules, according to your confirmation, take buy or sell. Okay, but if there is something missing, don't take any trade. Wait for the confirmation. This is not the last day of your trading. Okay, this is just a day of your journey. So every day you don't need to look for because this is the game of probability and possibility. So if you are making if you have some specific rules for your execution, your first time frame analysis, so you need to follow that. If you are jumping from MA510 high to MA510 low, or from MA510 low to MA510 high, this is not trading. This is not the way of BBMA traders. Okay, and make it simple. If market is moving according to your rules, take the trade. Otherwise, avoid it. Next question, please. If you have any question, you can ask.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
I want to know about stochastics and BBMA confirmation both. When get confirmation.
Stochastic is about to confirm your extreme points. Also, you can make confirmation as a divergence. For example, on H1 time frame, on M15, got confirmation yesterday. Let me find some example for you guys. Okay, see here. Idris, you don't need to draw lines on charts. So this is how we confirm it on second time frame or third time frame. We are making confirmation through it, through stochastic, and we are getting good results. Sometimes market is forming divergence without making any momentum. So if there is no momentum and there is a sell divergence, there is no buy momentum and there is a sell divergence, so market can drop badly. And nowadays it's giving very high pips. Nowadays it's giving very high pips. So if we count here, so we got too many pips, around 1100 pips. So stochastic is very important in BBMA. Next question, please. Next question, please. There is no question, so I'm going to finish it. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you for joining this session, and hope you got some new things, some new tricks. Later, I will upload this session on my YouTube channel. Please must subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification for further valuable analysis and lessons. Thank you for joining.